So I'm going to show you how to create cylindrical shapes and how to revolve in SketchUp. And we're going to click Create New and Simple Template in millimeters. I'm going to delete the model that's in there. And we're going to actually start with a rectangle just so we know where we're working. We're going to click on the origin. And you see when you draw a shape, it's trying to figure out what you want to draw by moving it to the right axis, okay, in between the right axis. And it depends really on your view. So if I move the view round, I can see here that I've flipped into the correct view. And I'm going to draw a shape around that spins around that blue central axis. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle here. So I can see very clearly that I'm drawing on this side of the SketchUp axis in space. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is, that's going to be our central line and that'll be our baseline. And we need to create a profile. So we're just going to pick up the line tool. And I'm just going to draw on this face, and it's clearly telling me I'm on that face, a shape. Just rotate that and look at it. You can see it's clearly on that shape, it's clearly on that face. And I'm going to pick up the eraser tool and I'm just going to delete the excess lines that are not needed for the profile. The profile is then the part that we're going to revolve around any other shape. And to do that in here, we're going to pick up our circle tool, and in the origin there, we're just going to snap that, or snap it to this end point. We're going to click here on the push-pull tool and we're going to click follow me. And we're going to follow this around that path. You see there, I've just revolved it all the way around. And that will be how I create a cylindrical shape in SketchUp.